Hi kids! So for today's video, I am going to talk about what is greenhouse gases and what is greenhouse effect. So do you guys know something about these two? Or do you know the difference between greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect? Or rather, how greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect is being interconnected with one another? So for today's video, I am going to talk about what is greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect. So without further ado, let's go! So there are few gases in the atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. So these gases are what we call the greenhouse gases. These are the gases that is forming a layer around the earth. So let us say that this is the earth and these are the gases, the greenhouse gases. So it is forming a layer around the earth. So it's that one. So when the sun hits the earth, so since there is a greenhouse gases, some of the heat of the sun are being absorbed by the earth, but most of it is being reflected back to the atmosphere. So the heat that is being captured by these greenhouse gases are being spread in every direction of the earth. So this heat that is trapped by the greenhouse gases is the reason why our earth is warm. So because of the greenhouse gases, our earth is becoming warm. So if there is no greenhouse gases, probably our earth would freeze. So these greenhouse gases are very helpful in Earth's survival because without this, as what I have said earlier, our Earth would freeze and plants, animals, and us humans will not be able to live here happily. So the stopping of the sun heat to make the Earth warm is what we call the greenhouse effect. In summary, the greenhouse gases are the gases that we can find in the atmosphere, the carbon dioxide, the nitrous oxide, and the methane. So this greenhouse gases is forming a layer around the earth. So as I have said earlier. So the stopping of sun heat to keep the earth warm is what we call the greenhouse effect. So now that you know the difference between the greenhouse gases and greenhouse effect, I hope you guys learned something in this video. Thank you!